All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, I've got to address this. I have a job. Stop commenting, get a job. I have a job. I go to work every day. As I said in the video that I clickbaited the snot out of, you'll never see me in a shop. I'm no longer going to film in a property that I do not own. I'm not going to film in the shop. I'm not going to being limited by shops that are willing to let influencers film in their shop. I hesitated. Well, I'm not going to be stuck in that situation again. I can film anytime I want to. It's my house, my office studio. Things had to change with my channel. I could not be reliant on somebody else's graces to let me film in their shop. So I made the decision, filming at home. I will no longer be mentioning coworkers or anything like that like I used to in the past. I'm just not filming in a shop. I'm not going to go through that rigmarole, having to explain what happened to XYZ employee. Moving forward, this will be the set. I can film anytime I want to, whereas before at the old shop, I had to wait around for 3 or 4 hours for the sun to go down, for traffic to die down. It was on a very busy road. And so 4 hours of my Thursday nights every week were wasted. I could do really not much. I could work on cars, but, you know, etc. But that was about it. I was stuck waiting. So now, pop the camera up, pop the lights up, film a video, boom, Bob's your uncle. Going forward, I will also not be talking about any coworkers, anything like that. Not going, you know, I don't want some of the same kind of stuff that I got during my tenure at that old shop. It's just not worth it to create characters that won't come on camera. Bam, bam. That part of my channel is no more. And because of that 4 hours that I no longer spend waiting around to film, that's why I can live stream. It's why I can live stream every Thursday when I would normally be filming, because now I can just film whenever I've got time at night. I can film one video, I can film 3 videos. The advantage of having this situation is I no longer rely on anybody else. I've gotten some questions about the background and why, with all the tools I've got, why it isn't just slap full. Well, I use those tools. Set decoration is a different thing. This isn't readily available in my toolbox to grab to go fix cars. And I've gotten questions about the graphics card, and there's a fan over there. I have another channel. It involves servers and computers. I film in front of the same backdrop. That's why. And really, it was just a good place to put it. That's out of my old gaming PC. I have a 4080 now, but I digress. So I have a job. I go to work every day. Stop commenting that I need to get a job. I have one of those. But I'm not talking about it because I'm not talking about it. I'm not getting into some of the same drama that I got in before. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.